guys, thanks for tuning in. Amanda Rae here. So today is kind of an awesome day because I finally got the rest of my blower kit in. It's the conversion kit to add the supercharger to a 6.2 non-supercharged car. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'll explain what the parts are as I unbox it. So yeah, I'm a little dressed up-ish today. Today's my birthday, so I'm super excited about that too. I'm not telling you how old I am. Alright, first box. Let's see. Got a bunch of tubing. Let's see what I'm supposed to do. Tubing. And it looks like we have the heat exchanger right here. Looks really new. I don't see any dirt. Looks good. Some minor damage, I think, from the tubes hitting it, but nothing major. Heat exchanger. Alright, and that way. Now, the big box. Alright, see what we have inside. So much paper. Not much. There it goes. Maybe the very bottom. Alright. We'll start with the boring stuff first. Instructions. I guess we don't really have to open that on film, but might as well take a look at it. We can edit it out. Alright, so after the pull out the instructions, we don't really need to go over those on film, but we will go over those before we install. So first thing I see just sitting on the top is this little baby water reservoir. You can upgrade to an ice box later on. Super tiny, so not sure how that's supposed to help really cool too much. My ice box doesn't really cool the CTSV that much. We learned that last night at the track. But it's okay. Let's see. We got a fuel line. Standard fuel line, I guess, for supercharger. Looks like the brake boost line, I think. Brake boost line? Yeah. This is the harness for the supercharger water pump. This is just the supercharger gasket, OEM. Boom. Everything comes super nice. I'm kind of stuck in there. So this is the evap line. My feet are falling asleep the way I'm sitting. Quite literally falling asleep. Alright, not really sure what this goes to. Just hose with a tube. We will figure out what this goes to exactly when we read the instructions, which are important. Alright, now we've got under all this. All right. So here we've got the tensioner, and then the bolt is included right here. Let's see, tensioner and bolts. This is very nicely duct taped. Might take me a minute to open, so please hold. So just a bracket. These are valve evap. The valve evap sensor looks like. A whole box of goodies in here. Oh my goodness. This just looks like a bracket that holds a tube somewhere. I don't know what tube it's gonna hold, but it looks like it's just a bracket. I don't even have to open this one, but it's a bracket that holds the tube. Huh? For the pump? Probably. Alright, fuel rail bolts. They have them labeled. I like that. Look at that. Can y'all see that? It's labeled already. Beautiful. Labeled and in Ziploc baggies. Oh, these aren't. Alright, a bunch of clamps. Can never have too many clamps. This is probably for when you repin the crank, but we already pinned the crank, so we don't really have to use this. So this is extra, I guess. Huh? Yeah, my crank bolt is ARP, so this is really not needed. SuperCharger base bolts. These are the SuperCharger base bolts. Again, everything is super meticulous and labeled in this box, so it's kind of awesome. Alright, these are spark plugs? Yeah. I got 4 spark plugs.
Oh, you got 4.
And then I got 4 more in this box. They have them separated. It threw me off. Okay. DW Works. These are my injectors that I am probably gonna run in the beginning of the car build, but I will be eventually upgrading to bigger injectors. So I will show you how pretty these are. Water pump. Water pump. We already have one of these, so this is extra. I guess it can't hurt to have extra. Or sell it, whatever the two. So, that can go back in the box. We won't need that. Bolts with some big butt spacers. Holy God. Censored myself there. All right. Get that from there. Ooh, that's actually pretty shiny. So this is the serpentine belt conversion bracket. It's gonna go with all the other conversion brackets that we need to make this SuperCharger work, basically. We've got gaskets and a belt. Very good. Nice. We've got the fuel rail. Can't forget the fuel rail. Pretty sure it goes this way. I'd hate to be the welder on something so small and tiny.
And precise.
And precise.
Probably a machine level.
Alright, now this is the best part, guys. This is my I opted to go with a ZL1 lid. So here we have it. Beautiful. Brand new. ZL1 lid. So excited. Let's take a look. I'm super excited. Well, we all know I was pinned the crank a couple weeks ago. And so this is my brand new ported supercharger. It is brand new. The Joker. You can see that. Joker. It is gorgeous. It's too heavy for me to lift out of the box, so I'm gonna let the muscles take it out. Ow, staple. Gorgeous. Right on the kitchen table. Alright. I need to cut this zip tie off. And he's coming over with scissors. Perfect. Alright. I am excited. Look at the inside of that. My goodness. That's so pretty. Alright. Ready? Definitely gonna save this box because it's, ow, staple got me again. It's the perfect fit for this. So, but let's still check it out. This is brand new. Absolutely gorgeous. It is coated as well. It was born on 12/10/19, but has been sitting safely in a little box, sadly collecting dust, and we were able to pick it off of the owner. And it is brand new, never been touched. So hopefully we can get this installed fairly soon. Really just depends on how much work we have to do on all the other cars. So there we are. Supercharger for the Camaro. Again, this is going on my 2010 Camaro that you can see in my other videos. Oh, my Lancer is bringing the goods. We're just gonna mock it up and see what it looks like. Are there divots? No.
Just slide it back in frame.
Huh?
might have to slide it back.
So this is what it's gonna basically look like once we get it in the car. It's got the supercharger, it has the Z01 lid, this is the fuel rail. We don't have everything on it obviously, but it's gonna look absolutely killer. And I cannot wait to see what it's gonna actually do and perform. Yeah, so it's just gonna be a matter of time before we get it installed. We have a lot of stuff we have to do. The CTSV, we have to put the DSX pump in. We have to finish a wiring harness for his Evo 8. We have to do this for the Camaro, obviously. And then for his other Evo, I don't think we have to do anything for your other Evo, do we? Oh, we have to rebuild your whole motor for that, yeah. No, we're in the process of rebuilding his whole motor for that, so I lied. So we have a lot we have to do right now. So between the 4 cars that we're building, we've got a lot of stuff to do. We still have to make them, we have to keep the CTSV and his truck obviously completely dailies because we have to have reliable cars to get to and from work. So we're just gonna keep going and plucking away and having fun and doing what we love to do. So thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the build. I think it's gonna be absolutely crazy awesome. Thanks guys.